Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Overall Solutions. Our today's video is on Wacom tab, that is a creative pen tablet by Wacom One, and this is very useful for like your online classes and students who are working and studying at home right now in this lockdown period. So today in this video I'm just going to tell you about how we can just download its drivers from internet and then we can install it in a very simple way in our laptop or our PC. So first of all, I just want to welcome you all on my channel and let us start today's video. So you can see now I have opened a website here, and here in this website you can see the first look of your One by Wacom. This is a creative pen tablet. There is also a pen-like structure that is being provided by this organization or this company with the tab. In this video I will show you how to download the drivers from your internet website of Wacom, and you can install those drivers in your PC or laptop. So I just want to tell you one more thing about this. Like I'm copying the link from my document and I will paste it on my browser, and you will see a website will come. You can see I have opened this website and I have pasted the link that is for drivers to download, and here it is asking for the model number. So you can see at the back of the box of Wacom tab there is a model number, and I have written it in my document. Here you can see model CTL-472. So what I will do, I will just type here CTL-472, and you can see there are options CTL672, CTL472. It means the drivers for CTL672 and 472 are same. So just click on this option and then search. Then you will see it is asking us to select operating system, like it is available for Mac OS, that is for Apple, and Windows also. Windows onwards 7, 8 and 10. Alright. So here you can see in the middle of it download Windows driver option is coming here. So I will click on download Windows driver. It will show this interface here, and I will just click on this continue download or confirm download, and the drivers will be downloading in any location there we want. Alright, so here you all can see that I will download the drivers in a drive here. While the drivers are being downloaded, so I just want to tell you one more thing, that you only have to install drivers at once and then it will start working like a plug and play device on your computer or laptop. So you can see drivers has been downloaded. Now I will open the folder where I have downloaded it, and you can see there is the file. Just double click on it, and yes, one more thing I just want to tell you. While you will just double click on it to install the drivers in your computer or laptop, just also have to plug in your device like the Wacom tab in your laptop or your desktop USB port. Alright, so just connect your device with your laptop or computer. So guys, you can see this is my Wacom tab here. So how to just insert it into your computer or laptop, how to just attach it with your computer or laptop. You can see there is a port, that is universal port, and this is a data cable. So you can see on both of ends are one end is of USB and second end is of universal port. So what you will have to do, you just have to put universal port to the tab and then your USB port to your laptop, like this. Okay, so now guys, you can see that there is a LED light that is turned on my tab. So it means that my tab is on now. So now you can use it. That's it. So now I have attached my Wacom tab with my computer. So this option will come when we will be downloading the drivers or when we will installing the drivers. So just click accept here, and you can see it is written here, please be patient, this may take a few minutes installing library. So it will automatically install in your laptop or computer. As you can see, like after 3 to 5 minutes, Wacom tab drivers are installed in my computer or laptop, and here it is asking to restart now or later. So you can just click on restart later also. So it is not that mandatory. So now friends, drivers for Wacom One tablet are installed on my laptop already. So now to check whether it is working or not, so I will just open MS Paint, because in MS Paint your Wacom tab pen tablet will work directly without using any other option, selecting any options or settings. Alright, so you can see I have opened the MS Paint application, and similarly I have attached my Wacom tab with my laptop using a USB port. Alright, so you can see if I will just write anything on the Wacom tab, so it will just write the same thing, like I am writing overall solution. So this is how it will work directly. Now you can see it is working in our computer also. So for looking at or for knowing about its working in MS Office, I will make another video in which you will learn that how we can just do some simple settings, and then simply we can just use Wacom tab for your online classes, like using PPTs, using MS Word document or MS Excel as well. So it is very simple thing to use, and I will just recommend that if you are a teacher, if you are a learner, then you can easily buy it from the market, and then you can just use it for your betterment of the education. Thank you very much. Just subscribe to our channel and like and share. Thank you very much.